Hi, my name is Taylor Rohr, and today I'm going to show you an interesting tool that you can download off the internet called psloggedon. Now, psloggedon is perhaps the best known tool for determining logged on users. Now, when a computer forensics investigator goes to a live response, um, if it's a system that he's not familiar with, and if something's going on that's very suspicious, he's going to want to know if anyone is logged on remotely and so forth. And PS logged on is going to show you the name of the user who is logged on locally, meaning you who is sitting at the keyboard, as well as users who are logged on remotely. So, now PS logged on, like I said in the beginning, is a tool you will have to download from the internet. And what we're going to do is we're just going to open up Google or Mozilla Firefox here. If you use an Internet Explorer, that's fine too. As you can see, I've already got the web page opened up for the download, but I'm going to close that out and show you how to get there. You just want to go to a fresh Google page there and just type in psloggedon.exe and hit enter, and it's going to be the very first result that you see there, which would be the technet.microsoft.com. Go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring you to the Microsoft TechNet website, or to the TechNet website, where you will find the download link for the PS Logged On. Now, PS Logged On is actually part of the PS Tools package, which is for the Windows sys internals. Just go ahead and click the Download PS Tools link there. That's going to open up your download button or download window there if you're using Mozilla Firefox. I already have it downloaded on the computer, so I'm not going to bother downloading it again. One thing I will add is when you download that, well, I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and just show that to you. I'll just show it to you anyways. To go ahead, and when you click Open with the Windows Explorer, it's going to open up the PS Tools in the local temp folder under the admin. And what you want to do is just copy all of the tools, or all the tools there, and just copy all of those. And if you want to do like I did, I went over to my C drive and I put them inside of a folder called My Utils, short for My Utilities. And as you can see, it's got them all in there. There's PS Logged On right there. I'm going to close that out. Now, the PS Logged On is actually part of the System Internals package, which is the PS Tools, and it's also a command line based utility. So what you want to do is just go to your start window there and just type in CMD. Well, if I can make it do right. There's your command right there. Just go ahead and hit enter. And that's going to open up your command line utility there. And just show you where it's at. Type in CD space C colon backslash my utils, which is where I have it saved. Now, what it's showing you is that you're changing the destination or where you're heading in your command line. Instead of being in the user's admin, you're going to the C drive My Utilities directory. Go ahead and hit enter there, and that's going to put you right inside of it. Just to show you that we're there, type in dir4 directory. That's going to bring everything up that's inside of that folder. As you can see here, we've got the psloggedon.exe. Now, with any command line utility, you can always type in the command that you're using and then a / question mark. So let me show you how you can do that with the psloggedon. Just go ahead and type in psloggedon space / question mark and enter. And that's going to show you the usage and it's going to show you a couple of different switches you can use as well. Go ahead and just type in psloggedon, and we're going to go ahead and run it and hit enter. And it's going to show you who's logged on to your computer. As you can see, at 8:43, I logged on, and it doesn't show anybody else logged on to the computer, so we're good to go there. Interesting tool. So it's, like I said, it's going to give you a lot of information if you're an investigator. Can open up a lot of doors for you. So, because the investigator, who would hopefully be you, you're going to find out who's logged on locally, and also you're going to find out who's logged on remotely as well. So it's an interesting tool. So good example there. Just the very basic. I'm going to type in exit and get out of the command line right there. So like I said, make sure you download this. It can be a very helpful tool. Like I said, just type in psloggedon.exe in your Google search box, and it'll be the first result right there, which is the technet.microsoft.com. So, good luck with it, and take care. Bye.